Hello, explorers! Get ready to dive into the world of history, geography, and cool facts about our planet and beyond. So, put on your thinking caps and let's begin. 1. What is the longest river in the world? The correct answer is the Nile River. Did you know that the Nile flows for over 6,650 kilometers, making it the longest river in the world? It has been the lifeline of Egyptian civilization for thousands of years. Which of these is a renewable resource? The answer is solar energy. Solar energy comes from the sun and is sustainable, clean, and endless, making it a superpower resource for the future. Who was the first president of the United States? The answer is George Washington. Washington was not only the first president, but he also led the American Revolution and is often called the father of his country. 4. What is the primary reason ancient civilizations developed near rivers? The answer is for fertile soil. Rivers provided water for crops and made the land fertile, which helped ancient societies thrive and grow. Which planet is known as the red planet? The answer is Mars. Mars gets its nickname because of the iron oxide rust on its surface, giving it that reddish hue. What is the capital of India? The answer is Delhi. Delhi is not just the capital, it's also home to iconic landmarks like the India Gate and the Red Fort. 7. Which type of government is ruled by a king or queen? The answer is monarchy. In a monarchy, the ruler is often born into royalty and serves as the head of the state. 8. What is the currency used in the United States? The answer is the dollar. The US dollar is used not just in America but in many places around the world. 9. Which of the following is a human-made resource? The answer is roads. Unlike rivers or trees, roads are made by humans to connect places and people. Who wrote the national anthem of the United States? The answer is Francis Scott Key. He wrote the Star-Spangled Banner during the War of 1812, inspired by the sight of the American flag still flying after a battle. 11. Which continent has the largest population? The answer is Asia. Asia is home to more than 4.7 billion people, including the world's two most populous countries, China and India. 12. What does the term democracy mean? The answer is rule by the people. In a democracy, citizens have the power to vote for their leaders and shape their government. 13. The Great Wall of China was built to. The answer is keep out invaders. This incredible structure was built to protect China from northern tribes and stretches over 13,000 miles. 14. What are the two main types of farming? The answer is subsistence and commercial farming. Subsistence farming is for personal use, while commercial farming is for selling crops in markets. 15. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The answer is Mount Everest. At 8,849 meters, it's the highest peak on Earth, located in the majestic Himalayas. 16. Which of these is a constitutional right? The answer is freedom of speech. It allows people to express their ideas and opinions without fear. 17. What is the main cause of seasons on Earth? The answer is Earth's tilted axis. The 23.5-degree tilt causes different parts of the Earth to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. What is the process by which plants make food? The answer is photosynthesis. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, plants produce their own food and give us oxygen. 19. What does GDP stand for? The answer is gross domestic product. GDP measures the total value of goods and services produced in a country over a year. Which ocean is the largest in the world? The answer is the Pacific Ocean. It covers more than 63 million square miles, making it the world's largest and deepest ocean. 21. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the U.S.? The answer is France. It was a gift in 1886 to symbolize friendship and freedom. Merci, France. 22. What is the primary source of energy for Earth? The answer is the sun. The sun powers life on Earth, providing energy for plants, weather, and so much more. 23. What is the role of the United Nations? The answer is to promote peace. The UN brings nations together to work on global challenges like peacekeeping, development, and human rights. What is a natural disaster caused by underwater earthquakes? The answer is a tsunami. Tsunamis are giant waves triggered by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. 25. What is the smallest continent? The answer is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent, but rich in biodiversity and unique wildlife. 26. What type of map shows physical features like mountains and rivers? The answer is a physical map. Physical maps showcase natural features like mountains, rivers, and valleys. 27. What is the study of past events called? The answer is history. History helps us understand how the past shapes our present and future. 28. The equator divides the Earth into the... The answer is northern and southern hemispheres. The equator is an imaginary line that splits the globe into two equal halves. Which event started World War II? The answer is Germany's invasion of Poland. This event in 1939 triggered global conflict, leading to World War II. Which ancient civilization built pyramids? The answer is the Egyptians. They built pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs, some of which still stand today. And that wraps up our mega social science quiz show. How many did you get right? Comment your answers below. For more fun videos like this, like the video and subscribe.